Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's Ardil and today we have a problem. We have a very, very rattly Porsche Cayenne, and this is on the new platform of Porsches, and a lot of them rattle like absolute crazy and the dealers cannot do anything about it. However, you guys are in luck because today we are going to showcase exactly how we fix this rattling Porsche. Let's go. So that is the install all done. So you've seen obviously all the work that's gone on to strip this car down. Seats have been out, door cards apart, pretty much everything other than the dashboard has been taken apart and then fully soundproofed. The product we've been using in today's install, something called a Skins 3mm layer. Basically what it is it does three key things. Reduces rattles, which is obviously the key problem on these new Porsches, as well as basically it builds a better environment for any speaker to perform in, because a door card just isn't. It's not a great experience for that speaker to perform in. Soundproofing really does help that. Then the next thing it does is reduce road noise. So they're the kind of the three key things of the advantages of doing it. If you're just doing it because of the rattles, obviously you get the benefits of the other two with the product. But going through obviously this entire car, it does take a lot of time, and when any install is being done, and you've known probably, and if you haven't seen our channel before, make sure you go check out other videos, because the depth we go to when installing is just another level. So partly is obviously the product, which is the skins. However, the big difference that I go through when doing soundproofing is I've always got sound in mind. So when we're installing, we're actually taking apart obviously the vehicle, checking for any things that like from factory that just aren't screwed in, which you've seen so many times from manufacturers. Brand new vehicles that are door cards, speakers, modules aren't screwed in properly. We go through and tighten all the screws inside that door, making sure everything is tight, then securing all the clips, and making sure when that car goes back together that that is absolutely rattle free, which is really, really important. Obviously, we do that when we're doing a full sound system, but this sort of level, when we're doing soundproofing alone, and I literally 5 minutes ago just took a booking on a Defender 110, exactly the same thing that we're doing here. So you'll probably see that video at some point as well. But inside the doors are all done, so I just want to give you guys an explanation about how much of a difference this makes. I'm going to knock on this door here, which has been soundproofed, and this panel here hasn't been soundproofed. I'm going to knock here and you'll be able to hear the difference. Okay, it's absolutely bonkers. So this is before, so I'm just going to put the mic a bit closer so you hear that. And now listen to this. Back onto here. And that kind of speaks for itself on how solid this car now is. When you're opening and closing the doors, it just makes such a difference. Road noise reduction, the getting rid of those awful rattles that were in the car before, it now sounds absolutely wicked in here. And also it just, you can't tell we've been there at all. So this sort of product is something that you leave into the vehicle. Soundproofing is something that you leave in when you sell the vehicle. However, during your ownership, it makes a hell of a difference, especially if you're spending a lot of time in that vehicle, to reduce that road noise. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's today's video and seen the upgrade that we've done on this Porsche Cayenne and getting rid of those awful rattles from the car. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's video, and hope to join you on the next one when you can see the different upgrades that we're going to be doing on the next car. See you on the next one.